See, mirror formula is nothing but the formula which is going to relate object distance, image distance and focal length. Okay, so by using this we can find out what is going to be the focal length of the mirror. We can find out where the image is going to be formed if other two parameters are given. Okay, for that we have a formula which is going to be 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. In this we have to use sign conventions when we are solving the problems. Okay, and you have something called as magnification. We were discussing in image characteristics like whether it is going to be enlarged or small sized or diminished or point sized and all. That is going to be dealing with size of the images, correct? The size of the images are always denoted with respect to magnification. So magnification is going to be nothing but height of image to that of height of object. Right? So basically when we consider it as hi by ho. And also we can use object distance and image distance to find out this. So for that we use minus v by u. So this is going to be the magnification for mirrors. Is that clear? So for spherical mirrors, the magnification is going to be height of image to that of height of object, which is equal to minus image distance to that of object distance. The derivation is limited to you, so you don't worry about the derivation part. You will be studying in detail when you are going into 12th standard physics. Okay, so this is what is the formula which you require to know. So when we are dealing with the problems related to this formula, we have to use sign conventions in that. Okay, so it is not already being done in this. So we have to take sign conventions. Is that clear so far? So mirror formula is nothing but what? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Okay, so when we have magnification here, it is only related with height of object, height of image and object distance and image distance. Suppose if you are not given with object distance, instead they have given you focal length. So how to proceed with the formula? Or otherwise, suppose instead of image distance, they have given you focal length, right? So in that case, magnification with respect to focal length and u, which means object distance. The formula is going to be m is equal to f by f minus u. Okay, if it is going to be focal length and image distance, then the formula is going to be f minus v divided by f. Right? So these are the shortcut formulas where you can use directly to find out the answer. Seri sir, idu eppadi sir derive pannirpaanga? Basically pathina idhula. Say I'll give you one derivation so that you will be easy to understand next one. Okay, you have a mirror formula here. Okay, we require magnification in terms of object distance and focal length. Let me consider like that. So magnification, you know, minus v by u, right? And I have 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, where I want to know with respect to object distance and focal length. Just multiply by object distance on both sides. If that is the case, you will have u by v plus u by u is equal to u by f here. Cancels, right? So what you will have in this case? So you will be having u by v plus 1 is equal to u by f. Correct? Yes. U by v is nothing but when you are taking LCM, or otherwise you can take like this also. U by v is equal to u by f minus 1. So what you will get? U by v is equal to u minus f divided by f. Take reciprocal on both sides. V by u is equal to f divided by u minus f. Take minus out. V by u is equal to, what you'll get? F divided by minus F plus U. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, இந்த சைடு தூக்கி அந்த சைடு போட்டேன், அவ்வளோதான். மைனஸை காமனாக எடுத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா this equation will turn out to be like V by U is equal to minus F by F minus U. This minus, if it is going to be multiplied on both sides, you'll get minus V by U, which is nothing but magnification. So can I conclude from this M is equal to F by F minus U? I got it. Is that clear? If I require what is going to be the relation between the magnification, I mean focal length and image distance, what you'll do? You have to multiply it with V on both sides. Okay? So if you are multiplying V on both sides, you will get the same condition where you will be finding out to be F minus V by F. Clear? Right? இப்படி தான் அந்த ஃபார்முலா வந்துச்சு. நீங்கள் அங்கே போய் உட்காந்து ஒன்றா டிரைவ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு you have a direct formula now. So what we can conclude, we have magnification formula as height of image to that of height of object minus image distance to object distance, which is nothing but F by F minus U, which is nothing but F minus V by F. So all these formula holds good for magnification. Is it clear? Right? So that's all about your concave and convex mirrors. So spherical mirrors.